download it. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to hit that like button, subscribe button. If you ain't already tuned in and locked in with me, lock in with me. I'm finna get it up. YT, what's happening? Back with a video on a color on one of my homeboys. Brought it in, I think a day or two, and just want me to fix some scrubbing issues he got with the wheels. And about to go ahead and tackle that for the day. It's really mainly scrubbing in the back, so I'm about to check up the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheels off and see where the scrubbing marks is and see what I have to do to get it back right. Like I said, I'm gonna be probably taking them off and putting them back on, taking around the corner just to see what I got going. And yeah, just see the process of it. It shouldn't be much. And I gotta change the O2 sensors on this car. It's a 6.0 with a 4L80E. So we got to change that out. Take care of that, get them right, man, and see if we can get everything, you know, squared away, work out all the kinks and bugs with it before we go get the cam swap and put the tune on. But yeah, that's what I got going on for today. And oh yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try to get on a he want me to put a panoramic in it, but if we can get this roof to work, he'll be okay with that too for right now. You know what I'm saying? So I might just end up snatching up another motor, and I cut y'all on when I do that too, you know, so I can show y'all little things y'all can do that, you know what I'm saying? If you can't get a roof to work, if it's stuck, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you how you go around that. And but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and move my car, and so I can have me a little room to work with. And so y'all just roll with me right quick. Let's see what we got. Try to get these things together, man. And, get it ready for the spring. So let me go ahead and get this car bagged out so I can move this one over so I can have enough space to work with. Y'all give me 1 second. But yeah, man, I'm finna get ready to jack this thing up and go on get to it right quick, man. Y'all stay Stay with me 1 second. I'll cut y'all back on when I get the tires off. I'm back. Alright. Just had to get a little picture moment of the SS together real quick, man.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Damn!
Bitch, y'all. Bitch, y'all get a chance to watch me break everything I got. Let me get this situated, y'all. I ain't got time to be breaking all on camera. Let me get this situated. Alright, let's see what we got now. I just ran through two, like I said, sockets, 2 ratchets. And let's see if we can get this one going. Big breaker bar. No, this don't work, gang. Where my pole at? Hold up. See what we got. Oh yeah. Rocking and rolling that guy. Just moving a little slow this morning, you know, because kind of cold out. My other gloves with. Probably left in my car. Yeah, I'm probably moving slow because it's a little cold out, you know. Waiting on it to warm up. What's up, son? You good? I got your food on the table right there. Go warm it up. But yeah, I'm finna get ready to take this wheel off and I'm gonna go ahead and see what we looking like, man, for his new marks or whatever, tell me where it's scrubbing at. And while I'm editing on this side, I may go ahead and change the O2 sensor. I be having it already jacked up. Go ahead and change the O2 sensor on here. You know, so my boy can have his whip back by today. You know he probably missing him, seeing him on the carpet. Sure look good up on here with mine. I ain't gonna hold you. What say, for the new year, you know, I'm gonna put some new up on here. I like these dub wheels, I like them, I ain't gonna lie. Ain't heavy at all. That's what we got going now. About to go ahead and see what we got. See if I can see it in the new. You know, it already look like somebody that already, you know, the cop probably had a lot of sets of wheels on him before in his life. Every time you load up, you're gonna have something holding you back from having a comfortable ride. See a few marks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and beat this in. I ain't gonna do nothing but beat this inner wall in. Try to get them right, you know. Checking out everything. Overseeing everything. YT, I'm back. Look, I just went on and did what I need to do for us beat the inner fender well in. And like I say, I'm about to go ahead and put it on, and then I'm gonna go over there to the other side and do that just the same way. Wherever I see new marks, You know what I'm saying? On my head tap, push it in. Shouldn't have to do that much. But like I said, my boy put new wheels on here, so he just really getting his car ready for the new wheels to come. You know, we're gonna do away with the adapters, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the frame notch. I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna do the frame notch on here whenever he ready. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for him and get him right. I got a new weld on the way, and like I say, I'm gonna do my car as well, and cause I know I gotta notch the front frame on mine. I gotta notch the front frame on it because I can barely turn a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and have a video on that, probably like the next couple of weeks coming up. And like I say, y'all just stay tuned in with your boy, man. Yo, YT, I'm back. Like I said, man, it's just been a journey this morning, trying to get my boy in the game on not scrubbing. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to do a little test run in it, you know, go around the neighborhood, see what kind of bumps I can hit. Well, not bumps, but you know them grooves in the street that make you, make your shit scrub. Excuse my language. But yeah, I'm finna get ready to do that right quick, man. I'm gonna go pick up this old spoiled wife of mine from work and do what I gotta do right quick, man. I just want y'all to stay tuned. I'm finna get ready to move my car out the way and get this one on out the way right quick, see what we got. And then when I come back to the house, what I was gonna do, I was gonna go ahead and do them O2 sensors. If everything is good with this, I shouldn't have to mess with it no more. We just gotta see. And yeah, excuse me on the camera. Like I said, it is a little chill out here, so I'm just trying to warm up. And but yeah, this is what I got going on for right now, man. Y'all just stay locked and loaded. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to hit that like button, subscribe button. If you ain't already tuned in and locked in with me, lock in with me. I'm finna get it up. But yeah, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do right quick. Y'all just stay posted. One. Passed off, y'all. All the wheels are secured and tight. So I'm back here and ride this thing and see what we got, man. I hope my boy got some gas in this thing. Check that time. I don't want to go over my time limit with my old lady. Okay, I'm good. I got good time. Turn that old camera around. Yeah, I'm finna get ready and see now what we got going, y'all. We in the 83. Let's see, can we hear a little scrubbing? I know it ain't gonna probably be 100%. I know she needs some trans fluid out there. Turn this thing around. Usually when I hit the block right there, I would have heard something. Don't get it all the way perfect. As long as we can get it down there. jet blue on this car. But yeah, that's why I said we're gonna be working on the body work on this car in the next couple of weeks.